My mister. My mister. My mister. See how relaxed he is. Whatever way I hold him, he's ever like ready to smile for the camera. He's like, oh, yes, 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 I'm ready. I'm ready, mama. I'm ready, mama. I'm ready, mama. I see ya. I see ya. I'm ready, mama. Do you want to talk to papa? So he talks to his dad on the phone. So when his dad is like talking to him, he's always like, and the smile is always there. So every time he sees the phone, I think he thinks like he's talking to his dad. So he's still like smiling, waiting for someone to, to say something. Oh my god. He gave me cough. I think he got cough from his call. So he gave me cough. Today Papa isn't there. Sweetie, you gave me cough this time. Do. Do. See, he's ready looking at the camera. See. Are you my Mr. Relaxed? Okay, say bye. So I said hi, bye.